It is a day in the life before vacation. I've got a long to-do list to get accomplished, and I'm gonna bring you guys along.
All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious, different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. My mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile, it leaves you with a scar. Don't let them tell you what you feel or who you are.
Mess, and I am okay. I've gotten a few things marked off my list, but it seems like every time I mark something off, I have to add something else. But I'm getting ready to tackle the biggest job that I've been dreading, and that's the boys' room, and it's a disaster. I've not gotten to straighten it up each day like I usually do, so let's go tackle that.
A bit of faith has got to come my way.
Week of the month, right up into orbit. My chicks, they all inbound. A landlord thinks a problem, a rent being overdue. What possible solution? I haven't got a clue. But at the end of the day, at the end of the day, It's all that matters. Oh, I pray just to feel good at the end of the day.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on.
Alright, I got the boys' room clean. The house looks pretty good. I'm all packed up. The boys are packed up. Now I'm going to do a little self-care, and I'm actually going to do a self-tan. And I'm using a new one that I've never used before. I'm going to be using the Bondi Sands. I've heard a lot of good things about it. One of my friends actually uses it and she loves it. I did get the color dark. They didn't have the light or medium or whatever it's called, so I just got the dark. It does say that if you want it to be darker, you can reapply it 1 hour after your first application. I'm probably not going to do that, especially since this is my first time trying it. I don't want to be like, bam, oopa loopa or something, you know. So let's try this. So I finished my self-tan. I've got on really loose fitting clothes so that I don't smear any of it. After I put it on, I didn't put my clothes on for a little while. I actually done my toenails and then put my clothes on, and then I did my nails.
I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
I hear something.
I'm loving this moment.
It is! It's tired!
Just loving this moment. Can we stay
Okay, now I'm packing our snacks and drinks that we take with us.
Can we stay
What, man?
together?
Did you get another book?
Stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
You got another book. Oh, goodness. So we're taking Cokes and Sprite. We've got flavored water and Gatorade in the car already. We've got an assortment of chips, regular water. This stuff is just for when we're in the room and for the trip, like
Hey,
to eat in
Mama.
the car.
Mama,
What?
Mama,
What, baby?
there's still my no water.
No, those are mommy's. You can help me eat them. I mean, drink them.
Not eat them.
Not eat
That's not to be. That's not to be tasty. Nobody up there. It's so kind, so.
Right. I take.
Hey, Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. I've got my camera reversed, so everything's backwards. But I take mini muffins for breakfast. Sometimes if we've got like dinner plans, but it's for brunch or later in the day, we don't have time where we're not going to stop and get breakfast, the boys will eat mini muffins. I got me granola bars, me and Ryan granola bars. Packs of crackers. These are always nice to have snacks in the park. When your kids get hungry, you might not have time to wait in line to get a snack or spend the money to get something. These chocolate Rice Krispies, we love those. I got goldfish, and they're Mickey Mouse goldfish. The boys have already gotten into those. I'm actually take them out, put them on the top here. And chips that way too. I'm gonna put these bags in here too.
I didn't know it can do that.
Yeah. And this is also our
Hey,
laundry
Daddy,
bag.
what's up?
Out there.
No.
Oh my goodness, it's been snowing.
I got one.
We just got back from eating dinner. We went to one of our favorite restaurants with my father-in-law and had a delicious dinner. We are back. I like giving Ryan a haircut, and then my to-do list is done. I am so excited that I got everything done. Usually I'm working till midnight before we leave, but got everything done today and got a lot of stuff checked off my list. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Chance on us. Won't you make a change for us?